Hello everybody, I'm about to create a brand new restaurant called Monsoon in Hong Kong. And I'm creating signature dishes online so my chefs in Monsoon can understand how to create these wonderful dishes. These dishes all come from traditional recipes that I've found throughout my times traveling, and I've gone back in the archives and been able to come and bring them forward again and create some new inspirations for you guys. So I'm Meyrick, and this is Will at Home. And we're going to create Mie Pangsit ayam. And this one is basically chicken pangsit, which is chicken noodles. And pangsit are these little wontons here. I've got some chicken mince. And normally we use mushrooms in here, but today I'm going to use some bamboo and also some water chestnuts because I didn't have mushrooms on hand. But mushrooms would go very well in here as well. And then we've got some choy that we've chopped up. And then we're gonna mix it with some garlic oil and do a dry noodle broth, a dry noodle soup with the broth on the side, chicken broth. Okay, so let's go to the stove without further ado and start cooking. Okay, so first thing, add a bit of garlic oil. Garlic oil is very important to have in this dish because it adds a lot more flavor than just plain oil. Then we're gonna fry off chicken, mince. Have that nice and high. You wanna fry that off, fry out the liquid in there. And this is going to give a little bit of texture to the whole dish by adding this in. There we go. Then we're going to add in a little bit of dark soya. Just adds into there. Bit of light soy. I'm just going to mix that through. And then another good little trick is also to add in a little bit of ketchup manis, add your sugar element into it, and also helps darken it as well. You just want to bring this down, and then we'll reserve this to one side. Now, in the meantime, what we're going to do is we're going to blanch our pangsit in here. There we go. Pop them in, give them a blanch. I've got my soup here on the side. Put that to one side. Now you can pretty much add anything in it. You can do pork and prawn, you can do prawn this way, you can do prawn and chicken. So it's really up to you how you want to combine your mix together. Blanch these noodles, it's fine. Put them here, let them chill. Now we're gonna blanch choy some. Put that into here. There we go. I'm gonna gently put this here to one side. And then the next one is our noodles. Put into here as well. And again, I like to have some ice water for our noodles to blanch just on the side. Don't have the ice water at the moment, but I'm just going to run it under a cold tap just for now. But that really does give a much better, it washes off all the starch and flour on the noodles. A stronger heat. So I'm going to mix here. I've got some chicken powder, salt and sugar and pepper. And I'm just going to pop that into here. And that's going to be my mixing seasoning. Just strain that out. Put that into here. And then start to mix this. And we'll also put a little bit of fried garlic in here as well. There you go, look at that. It's starting to come together nicely. Okay, so that's us nearly ready. Beautiful. Then we've got our noodles, our dumplings here that we'll put here. And we're going to have our little prawn crackers that we're going to put here. I'm going to put our little chopped vegetables just down at the bottom, which is basically your choy sam. And then we're going to add in our chicken mince here. Perfect. I'm going to put a sprig of coriander on top here, and then we're going to put a little bit of ginger. Here we have our lovely chicken broth. We've got a little bit of coriander root in there, white pepper in there, and a little bit of ginger, just give some flavor. And here we have some wonderful sriracha sauce that we'll put onto here, or like chili sauce basically. And here we have our chicken Mie Pangsit with chicken wontons, choy sam, and egg noodles.